Hello and welcome to our upgraded Select Tower King Suite. As you enter, super echoey, but you've got a lovely sort of full length mirror for checking out yourself. Art, love me some art. Looks like you just took a paintbrush and scooshed it across. Great, love it. Door to Stranger's Place. Enjoy that if you want to. And welcome to the great room. Ample closet space, which I appreciate. So you see here we've got the normal size suitcase, little baby suitcase, came with that little thing. Safe, extra pillows, love them so much. Got yourself a ironing board and an iron. What? And a laundry bag. I like that in case you forget your little grocery bags. And the light came on when you opened it. Technology. Then we've got my favorite part, thermostat. It feels pretty cool here. It's also like 60, 50 degrees outside. I'm not sure which. We got our lovely hangout area. Swank chairs. And our view of the Sahara and the roof of the casino, I imagine. But it's a nice little chill spot. I like it. And we have one of our 2 TVs in this suite. Also, more storage for your clothes if you're staying for a long time. There are 3 of these drawers. I appreciate that. A lovely cool lamp. And check it out for those of you who like your own refrigerator, not stocked full of their crap. You can fit cans, you can fit bottles, you can fit leftovers, whatever you want. And a coffee machine with some set cups, a desk with a nice chair. So if you gotta do some work, you can do some work. We are centrally located to the ice machine. Very nice, very helpful. And you can see this is the section where you can entertain. Got a nice couch. I really like this couch. It must be new. They did say it was like updated. And entertain guests. Then entertain you and your sweetie and or a group of people. Whatever, we don't judge. With this Roman bath. It's not jetted, so just beware of that. If you're coming for a jetted tub, no jets. But it's huge. I don't want to put my boots in it. It's big. I don't want to do that. But it's pretty cool that it looks through to the bathroom. King bed. Great size king bed. Kind of firm. Not very many pillows, but they did have 2 in there, so that's fine. Lamps on each side, drawers on each side. Good call. I like the art, more art, and a huge bathroom. Huge bathroom. I really like that. So his and her, or her and her, or his and his, or they and they sinks with really cool lighting in the mirrors. A blow dryer that is not just hidden. It's got its own holster, like the Wild West. Awesome. And this huge shower, which I appreciate. Then we have your toilet in a pocket door, barn door, whatever it is, which I don't know. If you're a new couple, I get kind of paranoid about someone hearing me pee, so might not work if you're a new couple. Otherwise, that is our King Tower Select Suite with Roman tub, baller setup. Oh, I do like that art too. It's pretty cool art. I like it. I think it's gonna go well. We'll see. We did get here at 10 p.m. So the lighting's not great in this review, but gotta make do with what you got.